Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to show multiple collections on one page on your Shopify store, similar to Netflix or whatever? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video without using any applications, and it's very easy. Without any more talking, let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel from the left menu and click on online store so we can access the section where we can customize the theme. The next thing you're going to do, which is the most important step, is make sure you click on the three dots and duplicate the theme. So every change or customization you do in this video or any video, do them on the duplicated theme. And if you like to change this, click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on edit theme, then click on the home page at the top of the page, then click on pages and click on create template. So we'll create a separate page just to show those multiple collections. So click on create template. I'm gonna name it multiple collections or something like that. Make sure you name it something relevant to your purpose, then click on create template. Now we created the new template, and don't worry about this contact us or whatever hidden you found here. We'll get to it later. So next thing we're going to do is exit from the theme editor, and after that click on the pages, here, click on pages below the themes and simply create an add page. Click on add page. I'm gonna name it catalog. So catalog is where I will show all the collections, multiple collections. Now on template, as you can see, it says here template. Click on default page and select the template that we just created, which is in my case is multiple collection. I'm gonna click on save. Now I created the page. Now I'm get back again to online store, themes, then I'm going to click on edit theme again back, and simply I'm going to navigate back to the template with I did create, which is multiple collections. Now it's assigned to the catalog. Now it says catalog, as you can see. Next thing we're going to do is on the left panel right here where it says template, click on add section and search for featured, and make sure you access this one, featured collection carousel. By the way, if you're using different themes, this name might be different. Make sure to scroll through the section to find the exact one that's similar to this one, but it uses different names. So every developer names this section differently, so I cannot get them all to agree on one name. So click on the section which is the carousel for the collection, and on the left panel right here on the right, you will see the option says collection. So you can select the collection here. Let me select, for example, jewelry, and the type, make sure it's carousel, and below some customization options. They are self-explanatory. As you can see, all the names are very clear, so make sure to customize the section however you want. In my case, I'm going to keep it just like this. Now I need to add another one because the video titled multiple. So to add another one is very simple. Simply click again on the same section, add section, and find the same one, which is in my case is featured collection carousel. I'm gonna assign another collection. Let me do that one more time. Okay, now I added so many. As you can see, a full page, all are carousel. I will show you how they look like, and I will show you how to assign the page to the menu, obviously. But first, let me adjust this little guy here. So I'm gonna do in the center, alignment in the center, and I'm gonna make it a bit larger. Yeah, that would be perfect. Maybe I add a background. No, actually, no need. Yeah, all good. Now, if I click on save and I preview the page, oh, page not found. This is very good point because I forgot one critical thing. As you can see here, it says hidden. As you can see, this is very important page. So once you click on save, no worries, we will fix that now. Now I have the page full of the multiple collections. Now I'll get back to the same where I created the page, and I click on catalog, and in here where it says visibility, as you can see, this is the option I forgot. Make sure to click on visible. Now click on save. Now if I get back in here, reload the page, and here they are, as you can see. Now to add this to the menu, I'm gonna get back to the content on the left panel right here, click on content and click on menus, and on the main menu I want to add it on the main menu. And there is also a catalog here. Did I do this before? Let me see the link for it. It's for linking for all products, which is the collection. I'm gonna change that right now. So I'm gonna do pages, and what is it? Catalog, this one. Now I click on save. Now I have it on the menu, on the home page. If I click on the home page and on the header, as you can see, it says catalog. If I click on it, and here is the page with all collections, multiple collections. And on the mobile, this is how it looks like, as you can see, and it's a carousel, so the customer can scroll to the product, as you can see. And that's how you show multiple collections on a single page on your Shopify store without using any application. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.